Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls, how are you? Today we're doing drafting. Very good. You remember we were talking about? What were we talking about? We were brainstorming on rules. Very good. And today I want you to open your book to page number 40 and look at the board behind me. Good. Now, first of all, what are rules? What are they? Someone told me what they were. Yes. Very good. Rules हमें क्या सिखाती हैं? रहने सहने का तरीका. Very good. इसको हम इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? Try. Rules, good. Help us, good. What do they help us? To live, good. How? Think. Excellent. To live in a good and proper manner. Good. हमें रहने सहने का ढंग सिखाती हैं. Rules. Good. Now, I want to know, why are rules important? Who's going to tell me? Yes. Good. All rules are made for systematic, good word, conduct, very good, of our lives. अब आप ये देखें, अगर हमारे पास कोई रूल्स ना हो, कोई सिस्टम ना हो, जानवरों की तरह में, तो ये अच्छा होगा? नो. है ना? आप देखें तो हम लोग कहते तो हैं जानवर की तरह चले, मगर even animals have rules. How? आप जंगल में दें, जंगल में किंग ऑफ द जंगल कौन है? द लायन. और अगर आपने फिल्म देखी है ना, द लायन किंग, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि हर एक का अपना अपना एक मखसूस जगह है, उनकी एक रूल है जो वो उसको कतई नहीं तोड़ते. ओके, अनरिटन रूल्स. वो लिखना पढ़ना तो नहीं जानते. सो everyone has rules, and rules are made to be followed. Good. Now, why must we follow rules? Who can tell me? बताएं. Why are we following rules? छोड़ो. School rules. What are school rules? School rules say no chewing gum in class. So, you're bored, teacher's giving a lecture, you take chewing gum out, eat it. Doesn't look good, does it? मुंह चल रहा है गाय भैंस की तरह. That's not very good manners. Very bad. Especially when a teacher is teaching. You have to be all eyes and all ears. Okay? So, rules are there so that we can become good citizens and good, very good. We can have a better character or personality. Good. Now, we have to become good citizens. How? If we have excellent, very good. अगर हमारे पास रूल्स ना हो, कोई कायदा कानून ना हो, स्कूल में या घर में या इवन बाहर, कोई गाड़ी इधर चला रहा है, कोई उधर चला रहा है, किसी का दिल चाह रहा है बीच में पार्क करके चले गए, you know, that's not right. So we need to have rules for the house, for the school, for jobs, and even for the country. Only that way will we become good citizens. And remember, तरक्की वही करती है मुल्क or anyone who follows rules. Okay, good. Now, have you ever set rules for people? आपने कभी कोई rules बनाए? Yes. Very good. Excellent. Well done. Listen to this. आपकी सहेली ने क्या कहा है? Listen. She said rules तो छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ में है. So I thought, what has a rule? तो कह रही है लूडो भी खेलें, उसमें भी रूल्स हैं. हम लोग स्किपिंग करते हैं, उसमें भी रूल्स हैं. आप ये देखें, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में रूल्स हैं. So they must be followed. Very good. Now, have you ever, like I said, setting rules for people, is it a good thing or a bad thing? It's a good thing. But if they choose not to follow the rule, what happens? Exactly. वो अपना डिसीजन लेते हैं. आपने उनको रूल बना दिया कि ये नहीं होगा, मगर वो कहते हैं छोड़ो और वो करते हैं. So what happens? Exactly. They took a wrong decision and they had to face the consequences. Very good. Now very good. Now we all have rules, even in the house. What are some of the rules in the house? Who can tell me? घर आ जाओ, कब मगरिब तक घर आ जाओ. Very good. Number 1. Eat together as a family. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. आपके घर में होता है? Very good. ये listen to this. ये कह रही है हमारे यहाँ एक दिन ऐसा होता है कि मामा सबके मोबाइल्स, आईपैड, सब कुछ लेके बंद करके लॉक करके एक दराज में रख देती हैं, साइलेंट करके मोबाइल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. नो स्क्रीन टाइम. सो आप लोगों को कैसा लगता है? शुरू में बुरा लगता था, फिर अब अच्छा लगता है. क्यों? वेरी गुड. कि आप ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड फैमिली के साथ करें. वेरी गुड. फिर आप क्या करते हैं? गेम्स खेलते हैं. कोई अगर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं डिस्कस करके सॉल्यूशंस. आपके पास कोई मसला है तो आप मामा पापा से पूछते हैं. वेरी गुड. सो a lot of family time, a lot of togetherness. Very good. Now, supposing if there were no rules and we just didn't have rules, what would happen? It would be chaotic. Chaotic, बिल्कुल आप क्या कहें कि कोई वो नहीं होगी. Chaos, total chaos. Okay, good. So we all need to have a set of rules to guide us in every sphere of our lives. Very good. So now you know. Now tell me, did you think of a nice title for this? Yes, very good. Tell me. Remembering rules. Very good. So what I want you to do, I would like you to look at the video once again so you can see how we drafted it. Okay, and then we are going to sequence and proofread. So until then, Allah Hafiz.